Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Scarcity shows up when resources are limited. So watch this quick one. We need the choice proving Isabel cannot produce as much as she wants. Start with the idea of scarcity. It means limited resources force limits on production. So the best answer should show Isabel's business cannot do unlimited work each day. Now check the choices carefully. Wages, taxes, competition, and seasons affect business, but they do not directly describe a resource limit stopping output with available workers and equipment. That makes the 7 lawns per day statement the match because it directly shows limited available resources cap production, and that is exactly scarcity. Well done! Option C, scan now. Don't rush signs. Trust given details and check steps because scarcity means limited resources restricting output.